Hey friends, if you wish to check battery health in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So I have a command for you. Simply search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on command prompt. Paste it here and hit enter. Now you have a path here. All you need to do is copy this path. Press Windows plus R to open the run window. Paste this path here and hit enter. So this will open an HTML file. You can open it in any browser or any other resource. Now scroll down and it will tell you about the recent usage. It will tell you about the battery usage, the usage history, battery capacity history, and the battery life estimates. Okay, it may not give all the information at all times, but in my case, the reason is that I don't even use the battery. I always keep my system plugged in. But if you are using your battery, like if you're discharging your system often, you will get a relatively accurate report. If you want an absolutely accurate report, then in the past few hours, charge your system to 100% and then discharge it to 0% and then check the report. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.